Right now, the OTC market is offering maximum payouts, and if you're not taking advantage of it, you're missing out big time. Subscribe, hit the bell button, and let's get to it. Alright, let's get started with today's trading session. I'm trading on the OTC market, which means the broker provides over-the-counter quotes, and all currency pairs currently have the maximum payout percentage. When trading OTC quotes, I always focus on analyzing the trend and trading in line with its dynamics. And for that, I've chosen the following indicator setup: fractal bands with a period of 5, a fractal with a period of 5, a weighted moving average with a period of 15, and the accelerator oscillator with specific period settings. Today, we will use a breakout strategy where the weighted moving average will help us analyze movement inside the fractal bands. I believe everything will be clear by the end, so let's start. We'll be working on the 1-minute time frame, and I'll start with the maximum balance trade right away to boost the deposit quickly. So let's begin and choose the first currency pair for the most optimal entry point. Let's open the first position here, a buy trade. First, I'll mark the working area. Notice the shift in volume direction, small but still significant. A structural minimum was updated and the price crossed the weighted moving average from below upwards, signaling a buy. I'm also trading off a small pullback here, so let's watch the result. And yes, the first trade closes confidently in profit, as we can see. Excellent. I'll reset the trade amount back to the maximum. I think the explanation was clear. We broke down the movement inside the fractal bands and secured profit. So let's continue trading and pick the next currency pair.
Are you struggling to set up trading indicators or just starting your trading journey but losing money? Join my trading team on Telegram today. I trade live with my subscribers every day, sharing all my trading signals. You can easily replicate them either manually or by connecting to my trading account, making the process seamless for everyone. I'm here to guide you, answer your questions, and provide step-by-step instructions on how to earn $20 to $500 daily. Click the link in the description to join my Telegram channel and message me for details on how to start. Spots are limited, so act quickly. It's completely free to join. In my channel, you can also check out my trading results and the income my traders are making. Message me now to get started.
Here, let's open a sell trade, again analyzing inside the fractal bands. The volume histogram shift direction. A structural maximum was updated, and the weighted moving average was crossed from above downward. Since the overall trend is bearish, I'm entering a sell. So let's see how it plays out now. Just a few seconds left. And yes, once again, the position closes in profit without issues. Excellent. Clear explanation again. Let's continue. Open the next deal with a maximum balance and choose the next currency pair. Here, I'll open a buy trade along the trend. We just saw a breakout of the upper fractal band from below, and I believe the structural maximum will be updated slightly higher. The entry wasn't perfect, the candle showed a downward move, so I could have caught a better price, but still I expect upward movement. Let's check the outcome, and I guess should be in profit. And yes, the trade closes in profit. Had we caught a more favorable entry, the results would have been even stronger. But the upper band breakout worked and we closed in profit. So let's move on with another maximum balance trade. And here, another buy opportunity on the very next pair. On the oscillator, we see a volume shift across of the midline and the structural local minimum update. We also had a breakout of the lower fractal band and the weighted moving average crossing from below upwards. Earlier, we saw a downtrend, so now an upwards move for the next minute or two is likely. So let's watch the outcome. Wow, it was actually a little tense in last seconds as we saw, but still the trade closed in profits. Amazing. The previous candle closed strongly and the new one gave a slight downward impulse, but since I entered at a good level, we still finished in profit. That's a solid profit for today's session. I won't risk much further. Let's open just two more trades to finish up and look for interesting entries. Now I'll open a sell trade for $91. Let's continue with the next currency pair. On these next assets, I see a potential breakout of the upper fractal band. Volumes are trending upward and overall there is no strong trend here. So I'll rely mainly on the breakout. Earlier we had a bearish section, so there is a chance for further upward movement. So let's see how it plays out. And unfortunately, as we can see, this trade closed in a loss. I'll open an additional $100 trade, and this will likely be the last one for today. I'm confident in an upward exit. Even if it doesn't work out, today's profits is already excellent. We've had a strong boost, so a small loss won't matter much. But of course, I hope this one closes in profit. Just 30 seconds left. Let's see the result. And the trade closed in profit. Confidently, the upward breakout happened, and we finished the session with a win. Fantastic result. I'm absolutely satisfied with the profits. Now let's finalize today's profit and proceed to withdrawal. And today's total profit is $1,102. Amazing. The withdrawal request was successfully processed as we just saw. So that's how today's OTC trading session turned out with this indicator setup. I believe I was able to show you how this combination is effective, and with just proper market analysis and an understanding of price movements, about 70% of the trades can close in profit. So that's it for today. I wish you good luck. OTC is actually really interesting if you have practice and, of course, good analysis. Goodbye.